Hello, Devin. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
So I'm 26. I'm a South Louisiana native. I'm currently new here to New Orleans. I am currently enrolled in a software engineering boot camp, Operation Spark. I went to college for business. I attended Nickel State University, and after that, I was in the automobile industry for 4 years, where I was nationally recognized by Toyota Motor Corporation. I decided to take a career change to invest more time into my passions and abilities. I really enjoy cutting edge technologies and creating new things, so I figured that programming would be more in line with what I like to do, and ever since then, I've been here.
Wonderful. And tell me about a recent project you worked on.
So recently, I was able to work with two of my peers on a web application. We created a web application that translated text, that interpreted text from a user submitted picture and translated that text into a predefined language that is readable by the user. So this allows people like myself who like to travel a lot and embark to different countries the ability to have a resource to take pictures on the fly, translate street signs, restaurant menus, and things of that sort that you really need done quickly. You might not have time to type everything out, but it gives you the ability to have a peace of mind when it comes to communicating and know your directions and what you're talking about.
I agree. And what was the product management challenge that you ran into, and how did you overcome it?
One issue that I had on a recent project was that I was added to a team um, post initial phase. So the group was already started on the task of creating the web application. So this was the first time that something like this has happened to me. So I really had to hit the ground running and figure out what was going on. I just used a lot of communication and a lot of familiarizing myself with the technologies that were being used at the time. Asking too many questions at times, but it was able to get me back on track, and I was able to contribute a lot of great work for a really good application.
Wonderful. And tell me about a technical challenge that you ran into recently.
So recently, I had a issue with relational databases. I wanted to harness the power of the powerful database Postgres SQL. I was having issues formatting schemas and table models. I downloaded Postico, which is a smooth GUI for using Postgres, and I was able to implement and create multiple tables with multiple views with vast varying but relational content in the a few hours, whereas this would have taken me days before. So I was able to create and implement a relational database in hours that we can scale up with the growth of our application, which is very important when you're talking about databases.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.